Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be checking out one of the best fish curry places in Goa. So this is a very popular one. This is called Ritz, and now Ritz Classic. There are many different ones. There is one in the city, but this is one of the most popular ones, and I'm going to be showing you an original Goan Thali today. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of videos here in Goa. I'm a local Goan and I show you some of the best places to check out. So let's go and check out this fish thali here, guys. So guys, this is the restaurant which is called Ritz Classic, and that's the entrance. I'm not going to show you inside so much of the restaurant. I'll just show you. I don't want to show the customers inside. Some people might not be so happy to see, but I'll just show you around. So they have seating there, and they have seating here also, and they have seating on top as well. So let me just tell you where exactly this is. So before we go in, so that over there in the distance is the Panjim bus stand. So if you can ask anybody the Panjim bus stand, and you just come behind the Panjim bus stand and you will reach Ritz Classic over here, which is the fish curry joint we are going to go in now. Okay guys, so let me introduce you to one of Goa's most popular thali and one of the most famous thalis here. So this is a kingfish thali, and as you can see the size of the fish, this is fantastic. So this is costing 279 rupees, but it is really worth it, because let me just explain what all comes in this. So you have this curry which has a few big prawns inside there. Then let's get into this. So this is fish shakuti. So this is absolutely tasty. Sometimes it's with crabs and sometimes it's with fish. It depends on which day, but it's really tasty. The next thing which we have over here is mackerel, which is in Goa we call it bangda, and this is called ambotik, which is usually done with shark fish, but this is something which is very tasty. Then we have our pumpkin. This is a vegetable that comes with the thali, and you have, so it's like this crispy prawns, and it's one of my favorite, definitely one of my favorite. It's crispy prawns with onions. This is tisrio, which is also known as, of course, this is shellfish. This is sol curry. So this is what you have at the end, and of course your kingfish and rice and papad, and at the end you have a sweet which is your shir kurma, or I forgot what it's actually called, but this is the meal. This is all for 279 rupees only. So let's get into the meal. I'm going to be eating with my family now, so let's get into the meal and see what it's like. I'll also show you some other fish which they have over here, which you can accompany with this. So you can choose crabs or anything else you would like to have with this. So I'll show you the tray now. So guys, let me try the meal now and we'll see. So I want to get a big chunk of fish, so let's try it. Delicious. So we're going to put some curry into the rice, and as I said, you can see there are big prawns in this. You can bring it a little closer and let's show them the meal a little closer. So this is how you should mix your rice, and we'll put some fish in there. So let's taste it now. Definitely one of the best fish curry. I'm enjoying it. So that's Sharon shooting the video, and my wife, and yes, delicious. I'm going to try out everything, and I'll give you a final take of what I think about the meal after I finish everything. So wait for a second, let me enjoy this, and I'm going to tell you what I think about it.
Hey guys, so it's Sharon, Moses' wife, and that's Nikhil. I'm going to show you my favorite caramel custard, this one. Wait, let me turn the camera. So this is their famous caramel custard, and for me this is the best caramel custard you'll ever find in Goa. Very rich, and look at the size. This is my hand. there just to compare.
We will put the price below.
Yes, we will put the price below. Moses is still eating.
Still enjoying my meal. So.
And you know, when you're the husband, you have to finish the wife's food. And that's Dad.
So that's my dad. Hello, everyone.
Okay, so let's start eating, guys.
So guys, we enjoyed our meal, and let me just tell you about the food that we ate. So out of all of this food which we ate, the shakuti is definitely one of my favorite dishes from the Thali. So that's why I always come here. The shakuti is incredible, especially usually they give it with crabs. So it's very tasty. You have to have it when it's hot, and it's super tasty. It's made with this coconut kind of curry. It's so nice. And also another thing is, Sharon already showed you the caramel pudding. I've already put the price. That is also really good here, but on some days it's not so good, but most of the days, like today, was really good. It's very rich and creamy and very delicious. So guys, that is it from Ritz Classic. Do come and try out their Thali. It's a really good place, and definitely one of my top recommended thalis in Goa. It's a little more expensive, but definitely worth it, guys. So definitely do try and come here and get it. If you want extra rice also, that is 50 rupees. So thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I'll be bringing lots of other videos like this from all over Goa, guys.